Welcome to KTA Kitchens. This is Chef Maka Kwon, and today we're going to make a warm mushroom salad. So let's get to our ingredients. First, you need some shiitake mushrooms, some king-of-the-e mushrooms, some canola oil, a little bit of butter, sliced garlic, salt and pepper, lemon juice, and of course some beautiful mixed greens. Let's get cooking. So I got the oil in the pan heating up, but in the meantime, I'm sure to cut this hamakua mushrooms. Kind of weird looking. Sometimes there is like a stem on top. Just cut that off and discard that. And then just easily slice it. You can cut it bigger, smaller, any size you want. And that's it. Just like that, very simple. One is my pan is getting hot. We're almost there. You want a medium hot pan. Make sure you kind of lightly roast those mushrooms and lightly saute that garlic right with the butter, okay? So I already got the oil inside. I'm gonna take a little bit of butter, get it in there, melt it. And once I get this together, I'm kind of put everything together at one time. Mushrooms. Garlic. Don't forget to season salt, pepper. I can already smell it, the garlic and mushroom simple. But we're not here to cook the mushrooms like all the way down. All we do is warm it up. That's why it's called a warm mushroom salad, okay? Tad bit more butter. Now, if you don't want to put butter, you don't have to. Add a little bit more olive oil, okay? Right, nice and warm right at the end. A little bit of lemon juice. All right, let's dress it over our salad. Warm mushroom salad. Super fast, super simple, super easy. I got my white wine to pair with it. Look at this salad. Smells delicious. I can't wait to eat it. Well, anyways, if you want these recipes, go to KTASuperstores.com/recipes. This is Chef Maka saying thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. All right, bye-bye. Oh, delicious, baby. Come on.